What's the meaning of banoffi pie? Banoffi pie. Banoffi pie.
Banoffi pie. Banoffi pie. Banoffi pie is a dessert that originated in England in the 1970s. It is made from bananas, toffee, and cream, and is typically served on a biscuit or pastry base. The name banoffi is a combination of the words banana and toffee. The filling is made by boiling condensed milk until it thickens and caramelizes, which creates the toffee layer. The bananas are then placed on top of the toffee layer, followed by whipped cream. The dessert has become popular worldwide and is often seen on restaurant menus. Its sweet and creamy flavors make it a crowd-pleasing favorite.